Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we have given root 40 plus root 8 by root 40 minus root 8. So let's simplify it. So we'll write the roots in simpler form. So root 40, I can write it as under root 4 times 10, which is equals to 2 root 10. Similarly, root 8, I can write it as 4 times 2, which give us 2 root 2. So the expression becomes 2 root 10 plus 2 root 2 by 2 root 10 minus 2 root 2. Now take the 2 common from numerator and denominator. So root 10 plus root 2 by 2 root 10 minus root 2. So it will cancel out. Now rationalize the denominator by multiply top and bottom with root 2 plus 10. So root 2 root 10 by root plus root 2 by root 10 minus root 2 times root 10 plus root 2 by root 10 plus root 2. So now let's simplify. The numerator becomes root 10 plus root 2 whole square, which is equals to a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So 10 plus 2 plus 2 root 20, which is equals to 12 plus 2 root 20. Now if I'll take 2 as common, so 6 plus root 20. Now denominator, it becomes root 10 minus root 2 and root 10 plus root 2. That is a plus b, a minus b, which is equals to a square minus b square. So a square is root 10 square is 10 minus root 2 square is 2, which is equals to 8. Now final simplification is numerator is 2 in bracket 6 plus root 20 by 8. So it will cancel out, gives 4. So 20 I can write it as 6 plus root 20, I can write it as root 4 times 5 by 4. Here 6 plus this becomes 2 root 5 by 4. Now again I can take 2 common from numerator. So 3 plus root 5 by 4. This will cancel out and gives 3 plus root 5 by 2. This is the final answer. I hope you like it and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.